If the machine is alarming and you want it to stop, say you're changing something and you know it's disconnected and you just don't want to hear it, hold the top button down here until you see this, and then hit OK, and then it'll stop alarming for 2 minutes. Once the alarm is finished, hit OK to clear the alarm, and then to let the alarm go back on again, press this, and it goes back to regular mode. On this ventilator machine, the one alarm that I had never seen before on her previous vent was rebreathing. I had no idea what that meant, and the best I could figure out, whenever I heard the rebreathing, it was because her whisper valve right here had some gunk in it. So when she coughs, sometimes she coughs so hard that it kind of flies through here, and there was some stuff in here that was preventing the air from flowing out smoothly. So if you see the rebreathing, take this off, change it, or rinse it or clean it out, clear it so that it can exhale easily, and that should stop your rebreathing alarm.